In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can get free Spotify Premium in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. It's a very easy process to do. So for the first step, you can open any of the browser and simply search for Spotify Premium. Here, you will see a list of multiple websites here. You need to open official website of Spotify to get premium. I will open this first one. After opening it, you will see a dashboard like this. Click on these three lines from right top side. Here you will see these two options, sign up and login. If you have already an account here, you can click on that login button. Otherwise, you can click on sign up. I will click on login to log my account here. Here you need to enter your email or username. After writing it, click continue. And after writing your password, you can click on that login button to log in. After logging in, you will get this dashboard. If you scroll it down, you will see here multiple plans like individual, student and family plans. To get this premium account for free, simply you need to click on try 1 month for PKR 0. Click on it, click continue, and here you can see that we will get this premium individual account for free for 1 month. After writing your details, simply click on that complete purchase, and that's it. So that's how you can get free Spotify Premium in just few steps.